name is Sky Climb.
You have to go on. Oh, sorry.
Go off the jump, Ethan.
What jump? Should I?
They made us jump.
Should I go off the jump?
Yes, do it.
Brandon, follow me.
Kenna.
I'm gonna
Ready?
do a face.
No.
Pulling up my socks.
Eric's
that one
walking
was-
up.
Because that one was so cool, it knocked my socks off.
Let's go.
Ah!
Did you hear my pun?
No.
Oh,
I said I was pulling up my socks because that last ride was so rad, it knocked my socks off.
Eric just failed.
Where's Eric?
He just failed.
He just fell on his face.
Is Derek on a snowboard?
No, he's got 3.
He's got, we should go help him. Let's slide down and help him.
Good one, boys.
Get out, Kenna!
I have to, no, my glove.
Get out! No,
How was it, Marcus?
get it back.
Good?
Kenna, hurry up!
Johnson's turn.
Dad, you want to go with me?
Sure.
Or Mom? Mom?
I want to see Johnson go. I'm recording him. Johnson's very first time on a sled.
Or he can
Very first time.
He can just sit on it.
On your knees.
Yay!
Dad, hop on! Okay.
Good job, Johnson. Not bad for a first try. Not bad.
Down.
Slippery.
I was trying to just slide down a way.
So what do you think?
So cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You ready, Marky?
Ethan's on them.
Oh, he,
Ethan!